How to turn off iPhone backup to iCloud. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Scroll down and go to iCloud Backup. iCloud Backup automatically backs up your iPhone so you can restore your data if you lose your device or get a new one. Over here, turn off the backup this iPhone switch is shown. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm. Apps and data from this phone will now stop backing up to iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily turn off iPhone backup to iCloud. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.